In this video, you will learn about Google Colab, like what is Google Colab and why we use Google Colab, how this came into this picture. So let's see what is Google Colab. Google Colab or Google Collaboratory is a research project created by Google which is used to help enthusiasts and researchers to create machine learning based projects. So this provides an environment which needs no setup and things to run uh, your Python programs. So you can say that this is a cloud-based environment which is used by many researchers and uh, enthusiasts to learn Python or to learn machine learning kind of things. Google Colab has many features like it supports CPU as well as GPU, which can be used for complex classification and manipulation. I mean, for complex training of your uh, machine learning based algorithms. So it also provides inbuilt libraries of Python. So you need not to install any Python libraries, and it's a cloud-based environment, so you can use it anywhere. I mean, you just create your project here, and you can just use anywhere with the help of your Google account, and it is very fast as it has, I mean, a good amount of RAM. Then it provide you GPU facilities which can be used for, I mean, complex programming and all things. So overall you can say that Google Colab is the best platform that can be used for machine learning, artificial intelligence, and also to learn Python. So in this course we are going to use Google Colab for all the practical sessions that in Python. So I think let's start with it. So let's open browser and let me write Google. Then you should be logged in with your Google account. So as you can see here that I have already logged in with it. So now search Google Colab, and here you can see the first link is collab.research.google.com. So let's open it. So here you can see that we Google Colab is open. Okay, and now we have already we have created one Python notebook. So let's open it. So you can create any, I mean, your own Python notebook from here. I mean, I'm just using it. And also I want to just highlight it that you have two options like new Python 3 notebook and Python 2 notebook. So I am using Python 3 notebook here. Okay, so I opened a new notebook. So let me rename this first of all. uh, Let me write uh, practice Python. Okay, now you can see here that we have practice Python notebook. You can also see here like there is an option to connect, and we will tell you about this in next session. So here we have few options, then we have code, then we have text. So we will all talk about this in next session. So I think we are good to go here, and thank you for this.